Hey everybody, it's Portuguese DIY Dad, and today we have a battery replacement on a 2018 GMC Yukon Denali fob or remote. Now I believe this goes from 2015 to 2020, and I believe it also works for Tahoe and Suburban. So let's get right to it. Right here you will find a little button. Okay, that's your emergency key. If you press that button and you pull this, the key comes out. Okay, you are going to need a flathead screwdriver, and you're also going to need a battery, a new battery. It's CR2032. In the description box, you will also find a link that goes right into Amazon, right to the batteries that you need. Cost a couple of dollars. Okay, you will stick the flathead right in the middle. You're gonna see kind of like a little wedge right in the middle. That's where you're gonna insert the flathead, and you're gonna twist, because the goal is for you to separate the two sides. Okay, and there you go, it's separated, and now you just kind of pry it open like that. You want to make sure that this stays inside the chip. Okay, and there's the battery right there. So the same way that you are taking this one out, you'll also put the new one in. So you'll just pop the old one out. All right, positive goes down, negative goes up. Okay, that's done. All right, now you put this back on, and you just press it together, and voila, put the key back in, and battery has been replaced. Hope this helps someone out. You don't need to take this to the dealer to have it replaced. You can do this at home, very easy, just for a few dollars. All right, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, thumbs up.